Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in a Hyundai Genesis key fob. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. It's important to have these ready before you begin. Make sure you're working in a clean, well-lit area to avoid losing any small parts. This simple task should take you less than 5 minutes, so let's get started right away. Now, let's open up the key fob. Look for the small release button located on the side of your fob. Press this button firmly to release and slide out the emergency key blade. Once the blade is removed, you'll see a small slot where the key blade was. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it. This action will pry open the two halves of the key fob case. With the key fob open, you'll see the internal components. Take a moment to observe the old battery's orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct reinstallation. Using your small screwdriver, or even your fingernail, gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Be careful not to damage any surrounding components. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, with the positive side facing the same direction as the old one. To finish up, carefully align the two halves of the key fob case. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, ensuring they are securely sealed. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into place. Your key fob should now be fully functional with a fresh battery. And hey, while you're refreshing things, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fantastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.